massive, eh? I think it's best to hit the road now. We've got still quite a way to go. I think we've got about another 80 kilometers to go. And there's going to be still quite a few stops along the way. But I must say, I've forgotten how beautiful this Spier is. Beautiful place, yeah.
It is gorgeous. I mean, look at the fountain there in front.
Yeah.
It is just beautiful.
Really stunning, stunning. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Cheers, man.
Thank you.
No, it's an absolute oasis.
Yeah.
Their own station.
Yeah, they have their own station, Spier
That's
station.
beautiful.
Yeah, really
I'm
nice.
so glad we stopped here. And those stone sculptures are unbelievable.
Yeah, that's incredible.
I hope you could capture the sound, because some of them were quite loud.
It's phenomenal, I'm telling you. I've never experienced something like that. That's
right.
weird.
It's wild.
Yeah.
I had to read a few times as to, hey?
I've read it a couple of times. I still don't understand. No, that's
cool.
freaky.
That was cool.
Something to do with volcanic ash and the rocks and the
And now the rocks have become sensor.
and 260 million years ago and
Yeah.
something like that. Yeah,
It's amazing.
crazy. J.C. Leroux,
Our favourite.
our favorite, and
Sparkling
it's
wine.
Le Domaine. Oh, yeah, security. Everything is locked up with security.
Let's ask. You can only ask.
Yeah.
We want to have a look around. Are we
Yes.
allowed to? It's just yay or nay.
Hi there. Is it open?
Hello?
Hi, is it open?
Yes.
So we can go in? Okay. So we can go through. Thank you. You remember we were here with Cassie?
Very clearly.
Yeah. Wow, check his car.
That's beautiful, eh?
Wow.
Oh no, not the car. I'm not here for the car. This is beautiful, eh?
Ah, okay.
Yes. Forgotten.
1704. Interesting to see that. We since when have we been drinking J.C. Leroux?
You say since we met, but
Since
I
we
don't
met.
know, maybe a few years after that. So
I can remember
what would
we-
we say, the mid-90s?
Yeah, definitely the mid-90s. Well, we met in the early 90s. Eh? But
It
the
still is my favourite.
it is, and it's the first wine estate to specialize only in sparkling wines
Oh,
in
that's
South Africa.
interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, very interesting. Oh dear. Security, you must close your door. I won't get past there. It's quite a job to get out of here. I'm trying to take different routes we've never taken before. And as you can see, we blocked here again and there. So,
Don't turn yet. Look at that incredible log cabin.
whoa. Way in the distance there.
I could
Just-
live there. Eh?
Just over the top of the vines there. It's
Wow.
massive though, eh?
I could live there.
So could I. It's overlooking a little lake.
I think we're starting to see the places where Weet-Bix comes from.
Where what comes from?
Weet-Bix.
Bokomo.
Correct. Swartland.
Finally, Jakkalsfontein. We're turning down onto our first gravel road for this trip. Hey! Hello, I see corrugation already, so it's going to be exciting.
I missed it, so bring it on. I don't mind corrugation at this point. I'm tired of tar.
Tar, no, too slick. That mountain in the background there, it's called Paardeberg. It's a nature reserve, so I'm trying to get onto it. And I just can picture what the view's like from there.
Hopefully we can reach it. When we're staying this evening, said that a lot of the roads in the area are closed to public traffic because of gates. I suppose because of safety.
I can imagine.
So we'll have to see if we can get through.
For security reasons, yep.
Oh, it's fantastic being on gravel again.
So exciting. It's like a corrugated one too.
It's been a long time. What does your map say?
It says this is Wolfkop. The area is Wolfkop. Wow, the church needs a bit of maintenance, eh?
A fair bit.
Wow. What is this? There's no sign that really explains what it's about, eh?
It's a school.
Oh, is it a school?
It says enter to learn and exit to serve.
A mini mountain pass?
Do you think that's our road?
I hope it is.
Me too, but
We'll see.
I suppose it's possible, but I'm not so sure.
We'll have to check it out.
It's dry here.
Very dry, eh?
So
We're
now?
up country, I'll go left, yeah? Let's just check for traffic that side. No traffic.
Oh, you
There's
silly.
some water down there. And you know what? In the last few episodes, I was complaining that I never had cash with me, and all these little towns always want cash.
Yeah.
And I haven't brought cash with me again. And what if I have to pay to go into this nature reserve?
Well, let's cross that bridge.
Yep.
But we can resolve that situation in Paardeberg.
Yes, I think so.
Actually, I did think of it yesterday, but forgot to bring it up.
Did you get rock over there? That
Yeah.
mountain that looks
That
like
koppie.
Koppie. Oh, it's not really a mountain, eh?
I'm shocked. Is the road sand?
No, it's just got sand on top of it. But it's really white.
Yeah.
Up here is Babylon's Peak.
Nooit gedacht val.
Babylon's Peak, yeah. I wonder if that there, the rock is Babylon. Check at that. That's
Quite a big rock there.
pretty impressive, eh? So once again, we've been blocked. I'm trying to get to the Paardeberg Nature Reserve, and there's no way I can get there. It's all private ground, private property. So unfortunately, I have to turn around and head back. But it was a beautiful road. At least we got some gravel road to travel on. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to head for Malmesbury.